question is, are there limitations with regard to part complexity for static pour versus tilt pour? For example, if a tool is very complex, would it be more difficult to put it in a tilt pour machine?
I got my answer.
I think you're limited on a static pour versus a tilt pour.
Yeah.
You can add hydraulics and loose pieces, slides, cores into a permanent mold where you can't on a static pour.
Yeah. Yeah, I think complexity is a very important part. So when you create the steel tool in permanent mold, it allows you to really define out and hold tighter tolerances and more complexities because you're cutting that into a steel mold. Think of even the static pour. If you're talking on a permanent mold side of things, static pour, you can define out some of the details there, but you're really constrained by the cavities in how you open that mold.
And also your cores.
Exactly. And then whereas the sand, think of, you got to build a sand mold that creates all these complexities.
And really, you only have two directions for a core on a static mold.
Okay.
Upper and lower.
Yeah.
And then you have pour slides.
Yeah. Yep.